Robert Heffernan, EndoTech, exclusively for the Pareto Network and EndoTech subscribers. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our daily show talking cryptocurrencies, blockchain assets, the cryptosphere. I'm a master technician, a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix while I am investigating and trading crypto assets. You know, I love the matrix. I love to jump into the matrix, and that's what cryptology is. It's digital, digitized assets. Let's do the rounds because there's a lot of news today. News. Doing the rounds, we do it every day. It's my chance to talk about what is happening in the cryptosphere. News stands for North, East, West, and South. I don't know if you knew that. I didn't know it till I found out somewhere, somehow, some way. Anyway, several articles today talking about different countries and different applications and friendliness, again, towards the blockchain and blockchain technology. From, let's see, Austria using the blockchain for handicap payments. Thailand studies blockchain for applications in internet intellectual property and trade finance, and easing the pain of oversight in organic blockchain or organic supply chain. When you think about the supply chain, especially over the past year, I think I've read more things talking about blockchain easing supply chain constraints and supply chain issues. A perfect thing for the blockchain to solve. More than a couple headlines today talking about this monster bull run that I've talked about being a possibility for sure in the fourth quarter, but not 100% sure that it's going to show its head, and it's all dictated by price action, right? You got to mind the mo. Hashtag that. Mind the mo. Pay attention to the momentum, and you won't miss out for sure on a bull run if it does materialize in the fourth quarter. And so far, it's like, it's like a grade school dance here. A lot of eyeballing back and forth, but nobody asking to get out on that dance floor, as these things just can't seem to maintain any up momentum, and for surely not pushing into collars, for sure not explosive price action yet. So we will keep an eye on that. Also, I wanted to talk about some news out today, and this on the heels of an announcement I talked about several segments ago about Goldman's Circle buying Seed Invest, a crowdfunding platform to tokenize everything. Now we have from our friends at Uphold another stablecoin, the Universal Dollar, they're calling it, and it will also have a physical and virtual debit card, along with the ability to earn interest on your digital assets on the Uphold wallet, and a new Uphold wallet being launched in November. But not only the ability to earn interest on your digital assets from Uphold, but the a lending source, the ability to borrow digital assets, digital money, which obviously most people would borrow a digital asset, convert it to a fiat, and do whatever the heck they need to do with that loan. But again, now we're seeing a real evolution into the legacy companies' business lines here. And this is where it's going to get very interesting, because I know as well as you know that legacy companies are not going to just capitulate and give up their, several hundred-year dominance in the thing called money. But the digital assets are for sure going to push the envelope here. Another thing I read today, again, on the incredible use case developing in the Dash and Dash app and Dash payments. And these are the stories you need to pay attention to, because I think the long-term value from a fundamental standpoint obviously is adoption. Now, fundamentals are all well and good, but you need to have a technical reason to line up with that fundamental belief in order. Well, this trader does. This trader needs a fundamental belief aligned with a technical pattern that is recognizable. And in fact, I love playing a technical pattern that is not aligned with a fundamental belief because, especially coming from the commodity market, a lot of money and a lot of weak money goes into fundamental views that does not last because, listen to me and listen real well here. Markets can stay, they cannot make sense a lot longer than you can stay solvent while trading, right? Remember that, especially if you're trading with leverage. Markets can be, out of control, not making sense, not aligning with the fundamentals a lot longer than you can stay solvent and in a position. So take fundamental news. It's important. It's important to build a fundamental basis for your trading, but please pay attention to the technicals. And we're going to talk technicals right now because that's what Taking the Vitals segment is. It's about the technicals in any particular market that we're covering. But before we do that, let's just re-emphasize on that technical trading horizon. We have the ET bot available, trading portfolio signaling for you at Kraken. Please open an account at Kraken and let our ET bot do the trading for you. Our AI automation module, it does it for you. What you get to do is sit back and know that the ET bot is going to mind the mow, number one, is going to make sure that the technical situation is the most important signal to be taking as far as a long or short signaling. And it never sleeps. It doesn't have a bad day. It doesn't get sick. It doesn't call in sick. It doesn't call in well. The ET bot, you want the ET bot on your team, believe me. All right? All right, let's take the vitals. In order to do that, I need to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd.